What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here the storage setting. Let me go to the storage. This is the 128 GB. As you can see, I mean uh, I already use 68%. 86.83 is used. I already use 86.83 GB on this phone. Yeah, this is the storage manager. Your storage is now being managed. If I turn on the storage manager, it's automatically managed. You see photo and video 34 GB, music and audio, games, movie, other file system. Yeah, so this is a 128 GB phone. It was me, Jimmy Eric. Check out the links in the description box below.